This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tome AI on Android. First, ensure your Android device has a stable internet connection. Tome AI is a powerful tool for generating dynamic presentations and stories. You can easily access its features through a web browser on your phone or tablet. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get started and create your first engaging tome. To begin, open your favorite web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, on your Android device. Then, type in the official Tome AI website address into the search bar. Once on the site, you will either log in with your existing credentials or sign up for a new account. The process is quick and secure, typically taking less than 1 minute to complete. You'll be ready to create in no time. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create your first tome. Look for the prominent Create button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. You can then choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or opt for a blank canvas to start fresh. Leverage the AI prompts by typing in your topic. The system will generate initial content and layout suggestions in just a few seconds. After the AI generates your initial draft, you can easily customize every aspect of your tome. Add your own text, upload images, and embed videos to make it truly unique. Adjust the layouts and themes to perfectly match your desired aesthetic. Once satisfied, share your masterpiece with others by generating a shareable link or exploring various export options, reaching your audience in under 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.